Let's talk about lavender essential. Lavender essential oil. Amazing. Stay here. Lots and lots and lots of amazing benefits on how you can make this from your kitchen counter. Help you fall asleep. Make the entire house smelling fresh and nice. Hello everyone, welcome you guys so much. My name is Katia Volino. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. Oh my god, I haven't done this kind of video in a long time. So you guys, for those of you who don't know, I do skincare, I do fashion tips and style, and then I have a new daily live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we talk different things at night, strategies to help you sleep better at night, especially after your whole 9 yards in the day. So today I am bringing you guys how to make lavender diffuser. You can use lavender diffuser to do so many things in your house, starting from your laundry room to your bathroom to your kitchen, your entire house, especially in your bedroom. They help tuck you to bed at night. So without further ado, if you're not yet subscribed, please click that red button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. So to make this amazing lavender diffuser, you need your most amazing carrier oil. Use any carrier oil you have. At this time I am going to be using avocado. You can use any carrier oil, but not coconut, because coconut will solidify. So we're going to be pouring some. Ooh. Oh, it spills. This is open. I didn't know it's open. The jar is broken. So I will be adding just a little bit of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed has a very distinct smell and flavor. So just put a little bit. Any carrier oil will do the magic. So the next thing I want to use is green apple. I love green apple oil. It keeps the room so fresh. So I will add few green apple essential oil. And these two are the things. And then in here is sage. Sage is amazing, wonderful, that helps put you to sleep. So I'm going to add few drops of sage. They're gonna tuck you in, calm your nerves, and help you sleep better. Of course, lavender essential, powerful, amazing, antimicrobial, antibacterial. So add few drops. This is very strong. It's going to smell so fresh, especially in your bedroom. So the next thing you need is bottle. Any bottle. You can pick up this bottle from the dollar store or from Walmart. Any bottle at all that has this bottle neck. So pour the oil in here. I want to split this in two because my carrier oils are almost finished. So it smells so good. So for the wreaths, you can pick up these wreaths. I don't remember where I picked it up. I think it's from a dollar store. Check your dollar store, or you can use your skewer. I also have some skewer. You know, the skewer you use for the meat and for the barbecue. here. If you cannot find the reeds, use that skewer that you use for barbecue. So I am going to be dunking some reeds in this bottle and over here. So voila, your diffuser. So your diffusers are ready. You can put them in your bedroom. Like I say, if you have a washroom, you can put them in your bedroom, you can put in the washroom, you can put in the laundry room, you can put anywhere in the living room to smell good. But remember, this most especially because it contains lavender and sage, they will help tuck you to bed. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys tonight 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel. Can't wait to see you guys. Bye. Where we'll be talking about sage tea. So guys, bye for now. Love you. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, click that red button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye for now.